Alright, so we have our hair from yesterday. One side is still pretty curled, the other side not. Let's just curl that side up. We'll do it going back just like the other side, and today we will just go to work with our curly hair. Keep people thinking you have a hot date at night. Hopefully you do have a hot date at night. If you have a bunch of children, you probably don't have a hot date at night. If you don't have any children, there's no excuses. You better go get you a hot date. Be your own hot date. Alright, so we're just gonna curl all these back. It's nice just to have curled hair, especially on a windy day, because messy curly hair is always fun. You might want to recurl some of those other pieces that are just straight and crappy. Put a little couple of top curls up here just to have it blend with the other side a little bit. And there we go. Curled look for the day. And you're ready to go. And then tomorrow your hair will be ready for your updo. That's how we're doing it, styling it another day. Like this video, subscribe, tell your friends, and start styling your hair. Whip out those curlers, the curling irons, the braids, the bobby pins, the ponytails. Put it in your hair. See you later.